Hello my French traders, and welcome to Grok Trade on Tuesday, May 8th of 2012 in Carolina. Lezon here again, a graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program, and hope you're all ready for our Q's analysis class here tonight. So let's get started. Let's check our Q's chart out in here and let's see what really happened. Wow, a beautiful bounce off of that low area support that I really stressed to you yesterday. You remember that as we talked about that low trend line, the black trend line come down in here, as well as that 63.50 mark, which was a significant area of support because it was a cross point of two major areas of support. That is a pretty tough wall to break through. Okay, so that's what happened here. We went lower. We made our next another lower low and another higher high, which means that we're still continuing down, but we are at a pretty significant area of support at this moment. And what's cool about this is that we have that pretty long tail in here, so we were not able to sustain those lows right here at the 63.50, and then we bounce right off of it, closing the day higher. So what it means is that we could have a little bit of a bounce off of that 63.50 mark here tomorrow. So, but first of all, what needs to happen is we need to pay close attention to the high of today, 64.74, as well as the 65.10 mark, which are both very important areas of resistance. If we do ever break through the high of today and then also through the 65.10 mark and close above both of them, we could have some more potential to the upside, at least to those moving averages that are right above us. So this is a little ceiling right here for us at this moment, okay? And that could be a pretty hard wall to break. But at least we could get up to there and we could have a little stopping point at that moment once we get there. So that is one thing that can happen. But the other thing that could happen here is that we could continue to the downside, breaking through that 63.50 mark. And then what needs to happen is that we will have to not only break through 63.50 but also through the low of today, which is a 63.48. Once this happens, we'll be in trouble again. Okay, so we can continue lower to that next area of support on the way down here, 61.68. And look down at our friend MACD. Look what we see on the MACD. The MACD is still pointing lower, and it's beautifully confirming that low down leg that we've been seeing here on our daily chart, even though we were bouncing off of a significant area of support, but we're still continuing to make lower highs and lower lows, which is a pretty good confirmation right here. And check this out. Look at the volume. That's very interesting. Look at this. We are bouncing off of a significant area of support on a pretty nice volume. That's what I like. So pay close attention to that high of 64.74 as well as 65.10 tomorrow, and then also watch that 63.50 area of support down below. All right, so that's all that I see here on this chart today. Hope it helps you. And then if you could just please put a comment right below the video and let me know how I'm doing. It's gonna help me a lot, because then it'll just give me a pretty good picture of what you think. And I do hope that those little analysis videos are of any help to you and you're learning something from them. All right, yeah, so enjoy the rest of your day, evening, and I look forward to speaking with you again tomorrow.